an adventure in outer space. Yay! Hello, Steve. Hello, Alex. Hi. What's that, Alex? You want to drive the Vamoosh? Oh dear, Alex! Can all of you tell Alex to be careful? Be careful, Alex! Maybe that ship wasn't very important. Then again, maybe it was! Oh! Huh. It looks as if you'll just have to find that missing Vamoosh. That way! It looks like Alex wants to search in the other direction, Steve. Ah! What was that?
Yeah.
Go!
Bala. Ba.
Alex heard a very strange sound, Steve. Perhaps it was just your imagination, Alex.
Ab 1.
It wasn't your imagination at all. It's an alien.
Yada.
Steve doesn't believe that Alex saw an alien. Let's all tell Steve that we saw it too. Yes, there really is an alien. Alex! Alex! Yoo! Careful! Can any of you tell Steve where the alien is? It's on your head. Why? It's the missing Vamoosh. That's why he was chasing you, Alex. He only wanted to give it back. Watermelon, your favorite, Alex. It looks as if you've made a very special friend, Alex. Ah well, time to fly back home. It's nearly nap time. Don't worry, Alex. You can see your new friend another day. You only need to improve your driving skills just a tad.
Map head.
ready for Alex. And hooray for Steve. And hooray for making new friends. Bye bye. See you soon.